Using Claude, you can also easily go ahead and generate out a desktop application. So to do that, you can go ahead and let it write out any programming language as needed. But for demonstration here, I'm going to go ahead and use Python. For example, I'm going to go ahead and say using Python. So I'm going to be specific right here, create a billing system which is UI based, where I can keep track of my items. Let's say, for example, bill my customers and let's say, for example, give them total and even assign discount to the final bill. So once I go ahead and say this right here, I can simply go ahead and hit send. And then what you can simply do is wait for the Python code to get generated now. So it's actually reading out the skill right here. It is self-teaching, like how to write Python code and so forth right here. And now immediately starts writing out the code. You don't need to do anything manually. Claude does all of the coding right here. And all you need to do is wait now. And now you can see that it has completed coding right here. So it has given you the Python code right here, just like this. And then what you can do now is you can go around over here and download this Python code right here. So now I'm simply going to go ahead and save it right here on my tutorials folder itself. And you can see the Python program right here. So if you were to go ahead and run it right here, just like this, you can see that the application is ready now right here. So I can see that I got laptop right here. I can even go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, I'm going to say software right here, just like this. Price is going to be 56 and stock is going to be 5. You can go ahead and add it. And then now you can go ahead and add these out right here. So you can see that this is what you have now. So you got all of these stocks right here, just like this. And now I'm going to go ahead and, let's say, for example, add in customer as fatigue right here, just like this. And I'm going to say laptop stand right here, just like this. Quantity is going to be 1. Add to bill right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and say, let's say, for example, software right here. And then I'm going to say 2, add to bill right here. And then you can assign out a discount as well, let's say, for example, and then generate out a receipt right here as well and copy it out. And this is what you have. And you can clear out the bill as well. And you can see that you got a fully functioning UI application right here built out by Claude for you just by typing in a prompt. So that is basically how you can go ahead and easily create out desktop applications using Claude as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.